I don't know if these vlogs have been getting too repetitive for you guys. That's why I took y'all out today with me. But yeah, I mean, this is how the vlogs are gonna be until I start the next semester. So for like the next 2 months or so. So let me know if you guys would rather have a vlog every other week, like every 2 weeks. So then I would upload a vlog, and then the next Sunday would be a different video, and then the next Sunday would be a vlog, and then the next Sunday would be a different video. So that's how it could work. Or if you guys like the weekly vlogs, I could keep doing that. I just want to make sure you guys aren't getting bored, because you know, it's gonna be the same thing, me drawing art, me making stickers, me packing orders, stuff like that. But if you guys enjoy it, then I will continue to do so. I know I really enjoy watching weekly studio vlogs of my other favorite artists, so yeah. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I bought at Daiso. So I bought these little drawers, if I can figure out how they go. Okay, they go something like this, but they lock onto each other. And these are just for organizing more stock when it comes in, because I know I have a lot more keychains coming in, so I'm gonna need a lot more storage. So just gonna be shuffling things around where I keep them. So I bought these little drawers. I bought 4 of them. This peach clipboard for pictures, possibly on the site. I bought this cutting mat because the one that I have is really huge, and then I have a really tiny one, but the really tiny one is like super old and dirty. So this one is like a nice size. I bought this giant dinosaur because I have a problem, as you guys know, with plushies. So there's that. I bought a trash can, a nice sized trash can, because I don't have one and I always need one right here under my desk for when I'm packing orders. And here we have a mini table for decoration, putting something on top of it. And then I bought this little like cat rack thing. It's usually for spices, that's what it says here, but I can use it for other stuff. For stationery, I bought this rolling eraser, and then these 2 sets of sticky notes, which I had never seen before. So there's that. And then I bought this accessory stand, so it has a bunch of holes to hang earrings, and I have a really bad issue with organizing my earrings and stuff, so I thought that this would be helpful. And another little basket for either my cart, or I can put it on my wire shelf. Either one, again, just more storage. So yeah, that is what I bought at Daiso today. So this week I've been honestly relaxing a lot more. I haven't been pushing myself as much because I'm actually gonna have to push back the shop update for July 3rd, so 1 week. So I actually won't be closing my store until a week after the 21st, the 28th. So now I have until the 28th to make a purchase, and then I will reopen with an update on July 3rd. So yeah, I just got some of the products that I had ordered from manufacturers are not coming in on time, so that's the only reason. And I don't want to do like half an update with stickers and prints and then a half an update with the rest of the products. I want to get it all together, so yeah. And I have also been dealing with some stuff in like my personal life. Like some stuff was revealed to me and such, which I'm not going to talk about because I don't think that throwing people under the bus and like airing out your dirty laundry is respectful or smart. But last night was like really rough for me, and it's left me with like a weird feeling. So if I'm like low energy, that's why. So yeah, I'll just be chilling for the rest of the week. Today's Friday, so just today and tomorrow just drawing, but in like a fun way, not in a way where I'm like, oh, I need to get new products out, watching stuff, cleaning, because cleaning relaxes me and makes me feel better about my environment. So yeah. just wanted to show you guys my custom stamp from No Issue came in. This is not sponsored and they did not send it to me. I paid for this. But that is what it's looking like and I'm so happy with it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. The stamp comes with its own ink pad, like a free ink pad, but the one that came with mine was completely exploded and leaked everywhere, so I couldn't use it, but I love it, it's so cute.